Child, this has been the most struggling thing. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle and today we're doing a do's and don'ts, beginner friendly mistakes I made, so hopefully you don't have to make them video. In the box with the wig, we have wig cap, wig bands, wig bag, some nails, and of course the wig. Now this is a V part, so there is no lace. I did film this video 2 different times because I didn't like the way it came out the first time, so things may look a little different in the beginning, but it'll all make sense at the end. Initially, what I like about this hair is the V part, the way it's made. Now, usually U parts, you would have to leave your hair out all the way around, especially like in the deep middle, because if not, you will be able to see. This being a V part, you do not have to leave anything out right here because it's already seamless. Just go ahead and cover the front sides. So not only does that make less work, but it's also going to be a more seamless blend. The track on the top is sewn on the bottom and then flipped over, so you'll never see the track. I have 4 of the combs done. The one in the, 4 of the clips done. The one in the middle is not done, and I took out all the combs. On my head, the cap fits nice. It's very comfortable, breathable, big head friendly, small head friendly. It has an adjustable, not strap, but it's adjustable in the back, so you can pull it as tight as you need to and adjust it, or you can make it as loose. I have mine as loose as possible because with the clips, I don't need any extra tightness. My first mistake was this mousse. Thinking that it was going to make my natural hair wave up. It did, but it wasn't in a flattering way. It was in the worst way. So do not do this. My second mistake is making my braids loose. I didn't do this on purpose. I have these big clunky nails on. I cheated on my nail tech and this is what I got. So I had no choice but to rebraid my hair, and it was very loose. I was so committed to making this wig look nice. I took my nails off, I rebraided my hair, and this smooth foundation is what you need. It cannot be loose and crazy looking. This was my first time using a crochet needle, having crochet anything in my hair. First time. So everything about it was a learning experience. It is a challenge, but I honestly feel like it would be a lot easier for me to do if I was doing it on someone else's head instead of mine, and I could see what I'm doing easier. Just learning how to hold it, how to, use it, close it. It is a learning experience, but honestly, after I got my nails off, things went a lot smoother. Then I have the mousse again. Yes, I don't know why I did it. I just did it. Please don't do this. And this is a shiny mousse. My density of my hair was just reflecting, like it was a mess. It did not look good. I would suggest parting the hair off. I went to the first track. You don't have to do that, but just a clean part off so that when you crochet the hair, it's not getting tangled. It'll lessen the chances of it getting tangled. Now the first side of my head I was still learning. It looked okay, but it wasn't as good as the other. So after I did the other side, I went back and did this side again. And I went into detail to show you to tell you how I did it.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time. Loop it.
The final result is smooth, seamless. It looks really good. So I went back and redid the first side over just so that both sides can look perfect. I wanted perfect, and I feel like I got it. We're gonna try it again on the right side. I think the right side is so hard because my right is my dominant hand, and I need to go this way with my non-dominant hand so it can look like this, right? Because over here I went like, yeah, I need to go that way. I need to go like this. Under, close, open, under, hook, close, pull. Child, this has been the most struggling thing. Oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things. In my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the
Okay, you see what I got going on? Smooth, smooth.
everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things.
The hair right now is beautiful. It's soft once the cast is broken. So when it was wet, I added in my leave-in conditioner, which is the Curls Blueberry Bliss. And then I followed that up with Lotta Body Foam. Each product I put in, I did brush through it. To finish off, I used the Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love.
Started off with the Dew Honey Foam. Great product. I do love this, but it's more so for thicker hair if you're going to do what I did the first time and put it on your scalp. It's a lot of shine in this as well. This is the diffuser I use. I like it because it's very lightweight. I didn't have to do a lot of this the second time because I did sit it in front of the fan for the most part so it could dry like that. Of course, after putting all the product in your hair as it dries, you'll have a cast. You need to break the cast. Usually you could just use an oil or a serum. I didn't have to do anything. It just broke on its own once I started to do the crochet, and I'm very happy with the way that it looks. And I could just touch up with water and mousse on the days where it starts to get a little more frizzy. Jerry curly hair from Eunice. His hair is absolutely beautiful. The cap feels good, very breathable. I love that the V part was designed with the track flipped over, so it's smooth. For somebody who struggled, I could not imagine having the track shown. I don't think I would have been able to do. I will link this wig from Eunice in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to someone, and I'll see you in the next video.